Dude, don't jump.
Can't take it anymore. And the woods surrounding it.
Well,
Ooh,
the
it's still
sausage
bubbling.
cheese roll with crescent roll dough.
Hey!
Hey!
Welcome back to CK Adventure.
I am home from Peru and excited to go camping again. This is Kevin.
And this is Cheri.
And we are going boondocking on our land with some friends.
Yeah, we will be in site number 1. Touring and Trails will be in site number 2.
Super excited for this weekend. So come along and hang out with us.
Off grid, no power, no water.
Let's do it. See you there. Site number 1, ready to hook up and get everything set up for boondocking this weekend. Ooh, it's getting dark fast. There it is. The Devos Light Ranger is amazing. But not as amazing as that moon. Check that out. I know you guys are not going to be able to see this, but I'm walking around with my headlamp and we're setting up. We're almost ready for the evening. And I'm seeing like what looks like sparkling diamonds all over the ground. And I bend down to see what it is. It's so beautiful. And they're spider eyes, y'all. Spiders. This girl does not like spiders that much. And there's like thousands of them. So, holy cow. I'll be all right. I'll be all right. Wolf spiders. Kevin says they're harmless. They're not going to bother me. But yeah, there's spiders all over the ground. But we're good. All right, we're gonna have dinner. Got all set up and Kevin talked me down off the ledge about freaking out about the 1,000 spiders everywhere that I had no idea. Now we're having a little chips and salsa.
Little late night snack.
Avocado. Little snack.
The wind is
before we go to
blowing.
sleep.
It's nice and cool.
Beautiful
Awesome
night.
For mid-March.
Good night, y'all. We'll see you in the morning.
What you doing over here, baby?
Making you some breakfast.
Oh, okay.
I know you wake up hungry. Uh-oh. We're making WAP biscuits.
Ooh.
WAP.
Does that can of biscuits owe you money?
It does.
Cooking on the Omnia oven, huh?
Man, it's the best.
From Sweden.
If y'all do not have an Omnia oven, you need one. They're game changers.
And we are fully boondocking this weekend.
Yeah, we are.
Have the Jackery running the fridge. Got this Jackery running the camper. Toast Jackeries.
I think I'm starting to smell some biscuits cooking.
Oh yeah.
Grape jelly. My all-time favorite. And they're so good on butter biscuits. I'm excited. Everything tastes better outside.
Yes.
Yeah, it does.
What you doing, baby?
Washing the dishes. Using my bowl sink.
Yeah, no running water out here in the boondocks.
Time to replenish. We are definitely going to have to hit the car wash. Camping on a dirt road. Hey, they found us. Hey guys. Welcome.
What's going on, folks?
All
Hi
right.
guys.
You gotta be careful with that.
Here you go, friend.
And she got her a cheers.
Little cold snack too.
Oh, yes.
Cheers. Welcome.
Thank you.
Anyhow, so what's on the agenda for today?
Nothing. Whatever the heck we want to do. We will eat. What are we gonna eat? I don't know. We're gonna have to wait and find out. You know, calm down out there. Don't be in a hurry, right?
Here's the Nature's River. But look, somebody did put John 3:16. That's very cool.
What's it right next to, though?
We're not going to show that. So here's the very cool graffiti bridge over the Nature's River. So Jess and Jeff forever and always. I want to know if they're still together. Is it true? So we didn't bring any spray paint, but we do have a sticker. So, you ready to put some CK Adventure action out here, honey?
Mm-hmm.
There we go. CK Adventures, now part of the history of this bridge. Dude, don't jump!
Can't take it anymore. Cruel, cruel world. All right, Scout. We'll give it one more day.
What you doing over here, baby?
We are doing a cooking collaboration with Touring and Trails.
Oh, what you cooking?
I'm cooking halibut.
Is that Alaskan halibut?
It might be the one that we caught in Alaska a couple of
has to
years
be the
ago.
one
It
we
has
caught.
to be. It's gonna be
Yummy.
good. Go see what Miss Dee Dee's making.
Let's go check out. This is campsite number 1. Let's go check on campsite number 2 under the holly tree.
Number 2.
Scout is the security.
Security, Scout approved. And we got some, fish and chips, right?
Mm.
So British fish, chips.
Oh, nice.
Some fries.
It's gonna hit the spot.
And rosemary fries at that.
I'll have. That sounds good. I've never tried, but it
Pretty
will.
good.
Well,
They usually are. We'll see how it works out
bet
here.
they are.
Yeah, we never
Boondocking.
cooked them in the air fryer.
Ah, nice. I can't wait.
All right, there it is. We're gonna shake and fry.
Shake and bake. Shake and
Shake and
fry.
fry.
There you go. Mm-mm. What are you doing, baby?
So when I was in Peru last week, we actually fried plantains. And these are not plantains, I know they're not, but I want to try it. So we're going to fry some of these. What were they called? They're little special bananas. I can't remember the name.
Burro bananas.
Burro bananas.
Yeah.
So we're going to try some fried burro bananas for dessert.
And they're eating them raw. They're not as sweet as a banana, but they taste sort of like a banana. So we'll see what
we'll
they taste
see.
like fried.
Yeah.
Burro bananas fried in avocado oil.
Fried bananas. I bet they're going to be good.
Yeah. Fried burro bananas next to the fried halibut. Yummy. Green apple. You want one? We interrupt this program to remind you to like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you for watching.
There's Scout. How you doing, Scout? Where's the air fryer? Oh, it's right there.
Do some tailgating.
Oh, tailgating. There you go. That's where the fries are. Cooking.
Fish and chips and fried bananas.
Mm-hmm. Yummy.
Doesn't that look good?
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys, what do you think?
Great. Yeah.
Fantastic.
The fries are amazing too.
Yes. Overall, I give it a 14.7 thumbs up.
Yes.
You know, Kevin does the thumbs up thing. But Scout, I'm worried about Scout.
Scout. Yeah, she's worried too.
We got a report.
What do you think, sweetie? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I didn't see that.
Oh.
It fell out on my plate.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I know. And you know, why would I leave one sitting out there? That just wouldn't
No,
make
you got to
sense.
push your luck, Jim.
Push it.
Push it.
Oh.
Oh, man.
Oh, somebody's going to get the whammy.
Two.
It's going to be me and you.
Yep.
Me and you got the whammy.
Blue.
Work, though.
You jinxed me, baby. You jinxed me. I lost my good points.
Green,
Nothing.
yes, I don't have any. Yes.
I have 23. What do you have?
21.
Oh, my goodness. How did I not lose to you?
I don't know.
34.
34? Dee
I
Dee?
got 15.
34.
You are the push champion
I
this
am the
evening.
champion.
Wow.
Jim, what is that all about?
It's a Bushwhacker Interceptor. Yes, that's the
Park police?
CK Pineywoods Police.
Uh-oh. Our music's too loud? So Kevin has whooped us in push.
Kevin has been the champion of the evening.
He is the champion.
Relentlessly whooped us.
Whooped.
Yeah.
So we are switching gears and we're going to play Jokers and Marbles.
Now that we brought the marbles out, I have a chance now. So.
Yes, yes. Well, and you're also going to partner with Kevin, who's the champion of the evening. So
Guys against gals.
I got a
Guys.
ringer over here.
guys
Us
against
girls are
gals. Here we go.
Us
All right,
girls
it's
are
on.
gonna win.
I feel no.
In the excitement, we missed the video evidence. But who won this last round, gentlemen? Who won?
I really would. I don't want to answer that question.
We weren't really counting, you know. I mean,
Yeah.
it's just.
We weren't
it's
really
about
trying.
having fun rather than taking
Yeah.
score.
We were
you
just,
know.
not even. We were goofing off. We weren't
Yeah.
trying.
All right. So y'all know the girls won.
We won. We won.
Great job, partner. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to Cooking with Cheri. And this morning, I love my Omnia, y'all. I love it. I'm going to make a sausage, cheese, crescent roll, breakfast roll in the Omnia oven. We'll see how it turns out. I am going to leave the crescent rolls intact. Floured my surface so it doesn't stick. And I'm going to spread it out a little bit more without tearing it, hopefully. Because I want it to be sealed. Get some good breakfast sausage in there. You want to leave the edges bare so that you can kind of crimp them off so everything stays inside. And then we're going to put a good amount of cheese because we love cheese. All right, we're just going to roll it up. Get a little seal on it. And I'm just going to lay it in here. And this should be absolutely delicious. So the base is getting ready. I'm going to wait until it gets good and hot. So it looks like Jim's over there cooking, honey. We want to go check on what's Jim making for us for breakfast.
Right.
What's up, Chef Jim?
Well, we're trying here.
Yeah,
so
okay.
got a little egg, got a little bacon, got a little cheese.
Is Scout supervising?
She is the professional taste tester.
Oh, I got you.
So she's patiently waiting.
She's ready for duty.
She was volunteering to check it before it was even cooked. But no, let's wait. Let's wait. So we'll see how this comes out.
Yes.
This should be really good. And what we're learning about the Omnia is it typically you put it on a lower temperature, you rotate it often, and keep checking it. Hey Scout, are you having fun at K Pineywoods? Being a tough puppy? You're so pretty.
She's wanting a treat. What you got there, baby?
Well,
Ooh.
the
Ooh, it's still
sausage
bubbling.
cheese roll with crescent roll dough.
That's gonna be good. And Jim
Got some egg muffins.
Egg muffins.
A little cheese and a little bacon.
Yes.
So, who's ready to eat?
Me.
Me.
Let's do it.
Let's go chow down. We'll catch you in a few.
Now that is a great looking breakfast.
Yep. They don't need you up there peeing on anything.
Well guys, it's all cleaned up. All fun things must come to an end, I suppose, but it will happen again.
Looking for a place to lay the eggs, I guess.
I don't know.
Well, the end of a great boondocking weekend with some friends. Thanks for tagging along.
And we'll see you on the next adventure.
See you down the road.
See you down the road.
Time to knock off all the red dirt. Sure was a great weekend. All clean and ready for our next adventure.